6 winning products that you can dropship right now. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to today's video. As the title of the video, yeah, it's gonna be 6 winning products you can add to your Shopify dropshipping store today, okay? So these products are from general stores, one product stores, okay? They each have unique selling points, crazy engagement on their ads, and you cannot buy these down at the store, okay? That is the main thing I see people going wrong, and they're just picking products that you can just literally go down to your local store and buy, okay? Before we start guys, as always, I'm gonna announce I'm gonna give away a free one-on-one consulting call with me. Just comment Masterplan in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and you'll be entered to win. Once this video hits 20 likes, then I'll announce the winner in that next video, okay? So this is the first product guys, right? So you can see here, it is a fragrance diffuser. So basically what is it? So you're gonna put an essential oil in this machine and it's gonna spray fragrance into the air, okay? So you're targeting anyone from that's having sleep problems to anxiety, that just wants their home smelling nice. So it's a quirky little product. It does have the unique selling point. I don't see these down at the shops. I'm sure if you went into some city and you really found these unusual shops, you would find this product, okay? But most people wouldn't even know where to buy this, okay? So the initial reviews on the store is it is not bad. In my opinion, you could clean it up a little bit. I would probably take away these AliExpress descriptions, maybe add a bit more color into it, okay, and just maybe keep it congruent and put the writing on one side, okay? So you can see they're using loads of different tactics. Flash sale, 60% off, so they're having a sale. They've only 7 left, so they're using scarcity there as well. And you can also see it has urgency, hurry up. This sale is going to end in 7 hours, and they also have minimum quantity breaks. So what I do like about the minimum quantity breaks is they have a little diagram down here. So this is just going to make people visualize it, so they think, why would I want to buy more than one? Okay, well I can have one in the porch and the living room. So they're thinking about their own house, thinking, yeah, I will have one in my living room and I also want one in the porch because the dog sleeps there and it absolutely stinks, right? So that's going to bump up your average order value, which is really good, and you need to be doing that with Facebook ads. And of course, down the bottom, they have reviews, and they also have frequently bought together. So this is a branded store, and I think I've seen this store before, okay? So you can see they're mainly selling essential oils, and they're also selling this machine, and they might be selling another machine. So it's all basically around essential oils, and that is really a good thing because the upsells, you're selling it to the same market, the same audience. You're not selling cups and then you're selling dog toys one day and then the other, you know, cups, okay? So that doesn't make sense. You want to keep it the same, in my opinion, okay? I think branded stores really do work well once you get that initial data. So how much is this store generating? Let's check it out guys. Right, it's making from $590,000 a month to $1 million, just over $1 million a month, right? So you can see here the team they're using is WD. I'm not sure which one that is, and you can see they're all the different products they're adding, and you can see it is all the same. It's basically the same type of products, all different diffuser machines, essential oils, and things like that, right? So at the low end of this, if they were saving, making just 10% of the low end of this estimated revenue, they're still making $60,000 per month in profit, right? That is the lowest that we can expect this store is generating, okay? At 10%, maybe they're making 5%. Even at that, that's still 30,000, right? So let's just check out the ad. I found this one, it was pretty good. Let's just watch it. You can see it's basically a review, someone talking about how well the product works. So they rated it 4.9 out of 5, and you can see here the amount of likes, comments, and shares. Lots and lots of engagement, guys. That's how it's one predictor, or it's one signal to show us this product is doing really well, because any product that has that amount of interest and that amount of buzz after, it's gonna make people comment, people are gonna share, it's gonna drive more organic traffic to your listing, and if people are loving it, they're gonna be buying it, okay? That is the end of the story. So you can see here the products they're using or selling is also essential oils. So that seems to be the main product they're selling is essential oils, and they're also selling these diffuser machines, okay? So they're just targeting the same audience. It's gonna help you as well mix up your creatives, because you need to always be injecting. As you can see, these are running since 20th of August, okay? So it is now the 14th of September, okay? So 3 weeks ago they started these new ads, and you can see here there's actually no ads that are older than a month ago. So they're constantly changing these ads every single month. They're putting new creatives, new ad copy, something new into the mix to keep the customer guessing, to keep it fresh, and to keep that ad fatigue at bay, okay? Okay, so this product is really going to apply to what is going on in the world right now. As you know, everyone is in the same situation in most countries, right? So you can see these are basically antibacterial towels. So you're going to be targeting them people that are really paranoid about what is going on, and it's going to help you get super clean. So let's just check out the video here. It's telling you that towels are one of the dirtiest things. They're a breeding ground for mold and basically bacteria, right? So these towels are supposed to be self-cleaning and eliminate 99% of bacteria, right? So I just thought it was a cool little product. You can see here they're using many different types of creatives, lots of videos, and it seems to be working pretty well for them because they're turning over $100,000 to $200,000 every single month, right? So let's just check out the store. You can see here the towel is called a Mizu towel, and of course the URL is also Mizu towel, okay? So it's really good branding, and it's very congruent. All the colors are matching everything, right? So let's check out. They're also selling towels as well. So let's go into one of these towels. Right, so they're actually going for a pretty extortionate amount of money, like 6 towels is costing you $300. But you can see here the domain was created 3 years ago, so they're obviously getting this amount of money in, and this 8 towels is $380, guys. Absolutely insane, great product to look into. These videos can give you ideas of different products, and even when you start researching these products, maybe you see a similar product that you think, hey, this is actually better, this is newer, and I think people would even like this more, okay? So let's check out the next product, guys. And this product is actually a product I haven't used before, but I wanted to use something similar to it. I use one that doesn't water itself, right? So what am I talking about? It's an automatic sprouting machine. So if any of you are into anything to do with health, broccoli sprouts are really good for you. I'm not going to go into broccoli sprouts, but they're actually very hard to get. The jars, well, I got mine off Amazon, but I've never seen anything like this. So basically every day what you have to do with sprouts is you have to change the water, okay? You have to do that for 3 or 4 days. So this is a very handy machine, and I would nearly be tempted to buy it myself and test it out, because basically it's going to save you having to do it, and it's going to be automatic, okay? So once you put it in, you plug it in, and away you go. You come back in 3-4 days and it's done. You don't have to, you actually have to change it twice a day, okay? So you can see here that there is a good bit of engagement. We can go into the actual store and we just want to check it out. Some of these examples mightn't be the best of like a great store, but I'm trying to find the ones that are, guys, okay? So you can see here there's a lot of pictures going on here, and there's a lot of colors, okay? So if it were me, and as you can see, I haven't even checked out the revenue on the store, I forget now, but judging off the way this page is done, like this color here and this color here, they do not go. Like, they need to fix that up. It's very poorly done. Like you could easily turn the store around and just like change a few colors and it would look a lot better, right? So let's check out how much this store is generating, and you can see here $23,000 to $46,000 every single month. Now, I know it's all about the product, it's all about the ads, but if you are putting them on a landing page that looks like this, it's just too much colors, there's too much going on. So if it were me, what would I do? The product is green, I would change this here to, as you can see, it's a general store, that's why, okay? Okay, so let's check out the next product, and the next one is this product I haven't seen before. So what is it? It's basically a way of getting more fruit, more nutrients into your baby. I think it's more for like getting them used to certain foods when they're younger. Okay, so what it's basically going to do is it's going to put a bit of fruit into this dummy, and the child is going to suck on the dummy. So pretty cool product. You can see here it has a bit of engagement, but I just seen it, so I thought I'd show that product to you guys. Right, the next one, this product is a cool product. It's a branded store, it's a one product store that has many variations. Okay, so I'm just gonna play the video for you. So it's definitely a quirky and it's a trendy little product. I'm not sure if you can get these in stores. I'm not sure what type of store would actually sell these, but this is basically putting it in the one place. All you do is click this button here and we're gonna direct you to the store. And now this store I really like. This is probably the best out of all of them in my opinion. Now obviously this store, the Wonder Dream, they are turning over a lot of money, and it is fairly simple up here. Maybe it's just the product page, but you can see here, like, I would probably make it just a little bit more appealing to the eyes. Okay, so when we come back over to this store, this looks trendy, it looks hip, the logo looks pretty good, and there's nothing crazy going on. They just have all the products and everything looks really good. Like, we can go in here and we check out all the different types of products they're selling. So it's basically, they're all the same, they're just different variations, guys. You can see here, 1-seater, 2-seater. So this is gonna bump up your average order value, of course. So let's see, the 1-seater is for $50, and you can get pillowcases, and the 4-seater is $85. So they probably have an average order value of $60, maybe $70, which is really good. And you need that when you're working with Facebook ads, okay? So I would not advise trying to sell products nowadays for $20. You can, but unless you're absolutely insane at Facebook ads, your profit margins are probably gonna be really low, and there's gonna be a lot of optimization, even when you do get to 100, 200 orders a day, okay? So how much are these guys making? They're making from $133,000 all the way to $266,000 every single month. They're using Turbo, it's a copy of Turbo, and they have added, yeah, they're more or less selling the same products. But yeah, I think a year ago, so they might have been trying some different products. So how much can you actually get this product for on AliExpress? Let's check it out, guys. So this is why it's so easy to make a store around this. So this is one product, but they're just making the store with all the different variations, okay? So this might be the exact seller because the other one has different prints on it, but you can see here the prices are pretty good. So a 4-seater is $24, and they are selling a 4-seater for $85, okay? So that is around a 3x, if not more, a little bit over 3x, guys, right? So lots of options to choose from, and as you can see up here, it's 16,000 orders, guys, 4,000 reviews. People obviously really like this product if they're ordering so much. And you can see here, very good product, very satisfied, wonderful product, I'm perfect. It's taken 10 days, amazing, it's phenomenal, right? So it's a no-brainer, guys, it's a good product. On to the next one. This one I just wanted to show you, this is just cool little product. It's all different types of lights, okay? So always be looking out these, and this is a really just quirky product. You can see here, good bit of engagement, many likes, many shares, and you can see this is actually, I'm not even sure, is this a drop shipping store, guys? Maybe it is. Like they're using little emojis here, so I imagine it is a drop shipping store, but I don't think it's actually done by Shopify. But yeah, pretty good store, many different types of products, and they're all quirky. Like, when have you ever seen a light like this? Okay, so that is it, guys. That is 6 winning products for you. Choose one, test one, just take action, guys. That's what you need to do right now, is take action and start testing. Stop looking at YouTube videos and make it happen, right? Just remember, if you want to win the one-on-one consulting call with me, just comment master plan in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and you'll be entered to win, guys. What we can do in that call is you can go over your store, your product, whatever you want. It doesn't matter, any questions you have, beginner, medium, advanced, whatever stage you're at in your e-commerce journey, your dropshipping journey, we can go through. And what that is going to do for me is it's going to help me grow, because you're going to comment and then it might get a bit of boost on my video. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in the next one.